What's going on, guys? Today we have a third gen Toyota Sienna, and I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter as well as the cabin air filter. So let's start off here with the engine air filter first. We're going to pop the hood, and right under the hood here we'll see these two metal clips. Just undo that, and then we simply just pull up on this assembly here. This is the engine air filter. Now it'll come as this whole entire piece, so you'll just buy a new one of these, place it right in here, and then we can slide it right back in there. Now I will put a link in the description for all the parts and where you can purchase them, and this is a much more affordable option than taking it to the dealer, especially because of how simple this is. So now let's move over to the cabin air filter, and this is for the AC and the heating. So what we're going to do is open up the glove box. Now on the side here we're going to see this tab. We're going to pull it out like so. So that is released. Now we are going to push in on this glove box. So right there, there's a little tab. If we push in on the glove box, it will release it. There you see, it is popped out, and there is one more on the opposite side. And there we go, the whole thing falls down. So here is that tab again, as well as on that side, so you can get an idea. Now under here, this is where the cabin air filter is. We're going to push on one side and then the other. And this door should just open right up. We can slide out the cabin air filter, and this one is pretty dirty, but we would just grab our new one, slide it right back up there, and there is a nice little up arrow on these to let you know what direction it goes. Simply take our plastic cover. Okay, once we have our plastic cover right back on there, we can reattach the glove box. Now mine did pop out right here, so you might need to just push that into place. Push in the glove box. Now that it is all secure in there, we have to remember to put this guy back on there as well. And there you go. That is it for the glove box, or the cabin air filter. So there you go, guys, cabin air filter replaced, as well as the engine air filter. If you found the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. Keeps me motivated to keep on putting these videos out there. Leave your comment down below. Let me know if it worked out for you guys. And again, check out the description for the parts. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.